National General Secretary ke National People's Party NPP bat sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubak Sniawbhalang dhar. Hene ke sengi arpsan terik ulaong ba ke jingioh vote kelum, vote share, jong kaliang persyak Voice of the People's Party VPP, kala hiar syaka lai point nyuk hui lang, kat ba ke jingioh vote jong ke NPP, kala kiew syaka R point prapolang, hakani ke election ADC hari lung khasi bat jain tia. Ka VPP kalayo tang lai point nyopui lak vote hakani ka election ADC na ka san lak vote kaba kalayo ha ka election Lok Sabha arhajar apusau na ki lai punriu teliki assembly constituency hakasi bat jaintia ki bahab hapo ka Shillong parliamentary kani kamut ba ka jingioh lum kulum kalah yar sendet tang hapo ka pra Haduh kendai benai bat hapo u arhajar arpupra kan sa nang yar arsut da prapo persen pimla bantip ngin tre shitom na kebenta kata ong uba Sniawbhalang habakren syakilat patai kubon Henry ulakam baka NPP kalala banang le bah hakani ka election ADC kabadang syedap ha ka ba ka jingioh vote kala kiu syaka R point prapolang Mentaka kenti ka jingya pher ha ka jingyoh vote ha pedeng ka VPP kalong tang prapusan hajar habayan ujor bat ka lailak vote ka balayo ha ka election MP ka badang syudab ong udhar. Ka NPP mentakan tau ya ka Executive Committee EC Batamai Hajainte Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC da ka jingkersyan ka bala kenjo syaka khat prangut ki MDC. Kaba kuntop ya khat sangut na ka NPP lai ka UDP iwei kertong klemseng. Ka NPP kalayo tang South Seat na ki Arkundai teli ki constituency ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC hadian baka VPP kalayo Haduh khanyo seat.
Ni yang beda bagan ni election MDC. Nongkonga yang aku beli ke district administration bro artli. Maka election ni conduct very well kaya baik anti. Bat kumju yupai ba bapeliru one vote ke beron-beron dun kano. Thao mla iklim da aku beli kerpang dengan jungai ke jangkin district kala. Ai ka support Haduh khalangu di MDC na kaya leng jong jangkin region. Thao yang beda berkasih ro. We respect the mandate of the people mo kila ai Haduh South tadi. Tapi jilo ijungi kabha na marba. Ladengi nu jori haka last election MP. Ong baik ke VPP kala asarut bro Arkundai sit na Khasil handai mata ka yo stang khanyo. Which we are improving very much. Tak beda len Jainte Hills BOE kala ngila improve bai more than 50-60%. Takatay na gileng junga ai ko blay ki pai ba jong nong Jainte ke belajar di parti jung kila put bank ke fake and confidence on NPP. Tingi kum ke parti ha beda ke Jainte Hills jung persang ban tre ba kan bala. Ha beda ber Khasil ro ni ai ku blay na mar MP la rem bro Arkundai rem kubut mental yo Haduh South bat ka UDP san bat independent R bat SP la long khadar is very much improve as MD government hakata pinyo ibang ila improve ba mar ka last election MP ka VPP kayo san lang nyo po malumala manta kayo stang la lang nyo po more or less in the 36 constituency we are very much improve in terms of vote share Tematakan ni MDC kayo lailak niya po ke NPP kayo arlak prapo tam is different only 85,000. Hakalas ka different do lailak tam ta. But we are really improving as a NPP party and as MD partner also. From 5,70,000 to 3,71,000 is drastically reduced in just in the span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know. And we are working towards that. Maka election ni kamu self power kampudan kipai ba ki wen ki wan thak vote ya ka vote bo borom li so namani ok khalai sit mur bi use mo self power the pila ki mo self power lay for a small example ki VP ken ba so yeng yo tu rong ba sang badim dengan arwan hang tu lagi lepa dai be ki ken use mo self power the sibol ki job khan new sit ha ngin oi ki use mo self power no we respect the mandate why we should blame each other. We have to respect the mandate to people. Hakasihil ki job khanyo sini kala mo use mo self power. Ringin job khalai ko mo use mo self power that's wrong. And kum kunuk sale min bro sime to excitement yung ralu klam yo athi aso don bag baga jing tre bhaj with district administration like thau bukli klam traw ni ko nikti. We are improving very much. You see last election MP the VP scored all 29 seats. Now only 17. We are very much improved in terms of NPP or in terms of MDA. We are very much improved. We have got 12 seats now altogether. But we have to work hard. You see, always learning is a continuous process. Because if you are comparing MPs different trends, MDCs different trends, and MLAs very much different. And if in a span of 8-9 months, we are improving our vote share from 180,000 to 283. Just take another 3 years, we may cover all. And we are working towards that. Let the new EC form, we are trying to address this issue as a government. We are trying to address this issue properly. So we are trying to address it nicely because financial crisis is always there in the council. So we are trying to work in such a manner that in future it should be okay. Now we are 14. 13 is NPP. Yesterday one independent match. We are 14 now, and 3 is the UDP. 17. 1 is independent. Mamun like parade. So now we are 18. Expectation dari kejungan dari kejung pai ba mak la keluar bon kayak barang. Terhadap ki keluar ke dia menlak men performing bagi la keluar. Tu pai ba bastan. Mana ki la men keluar ke la men mel dari ki menlak man penme bagi keluar pai ba la men so simple as that. Pai ba ki nai ki license mutas kemat. Yesterday morning I am already warning them. Please, since the results will be declared by 10 or 11 a.m. afternoon. Please take care. All the village should be peacefully. I don't think so. And that is not so. Yes, obviously few here incidents there and there like Narvan yesterday. So now everything's in place. Everything's in order. They have got a solid majority. So let them form. And if they are unable to carry, we'll see after a few years. But we'll see, no? Discussion is still on. Let us wait because this is linked with the central government. I can tell you finally. So we are under the process of discussion only, in the process of finalization, whether we will acquire that or whether we will provide some other or whether the code is very near us only. Let us see. NPP member, maybe another 2-3, you never know.